Alright, so it's windy as hell out here. I'll take a look around so you can see the flag. It's snowing. The trees are waving. And we know. And Nano. And the Nano handles the wind and the weather like no problem. Where'd that sucker go? No problem. Losing it. Got it back. Got it back. Alright, so the winds are a little tough, but we're still flying. And we'll just keep it right here. Battery's gonna die. There we go. Man, we did alright with the Nano. Not bad for all these winds and stuff. Alright. Now we disconnect the battery. Shut off the controller. And we're good to go. Alright, just need another battery. Alright, I gotta go see how this came out.